Well, good evening to you wherever you are in the world. We are just about ready for the action here. Kickoff is imminent. The team's indeed with us very soon, having exchanged their various pleasantries. What I have to tell you is that the weather may not be great for the duration of the evening. The clouds yet to open, but one suspects that they will pretty shortly, and when the rain comes, we are warned to expect plenty of it. And expectations are rising, and decibel levels are rising. The noise is quite something. You can feel what football means to the people in this part of the world. So, Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
Yeah, Roberto Firmino. Pretty much the ultimate team player, Peter, in that he gives his teammates a real lift and makes everyone feel better. He can drop deep to pick up the ball and create chances for others, or drift wide to drag defenders out of position. And that versatility makes him really hard to defend against. He's also full of running, and he's extremely effective in that first line of defence.
Yeah, hard to see past him. He'll be looking to put on a show, I'm certain of that. There's the whistle. Paulo Otavio. That's good running with the ball. Well, it looked promising for a moment, but it came to nothing. Over to the other side. He's had it taken off him. It's a promising run he's making on the right. Well, they could break here. Now it's Roberto Firmino. That's an excellent interception. Do have a chance to counter here. Well, played right into his path. He's shifting, goes in for the header! Oh, that was a brilliant save.
Taarabt clearly thought he had the beating of the keeper.
Anything noteworthy in the early part of the match, Jim?
Well, I think both teams probably feel it's too early for either to start taking real risks. So they're still very much in a phase of testing the waters and sizing each other up.
Moved on forwards. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Well, you might think he got off lightly. It is just a verbal warning.
Well, if he's serious about trying from this range, I think he must feel he can generate the power. Big ask.
Decent hit from there. Taarabt. If you have just joined us, well, you've missed no goals. For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Saiss. Played out wide. It's run loose here. Referee's had a good look and given a corner. No, he's managed to misplace that. And now they can spring out of defence. Camera. Pinches it off him. That looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. And that's a throw. Yeah, he's fouled him there. Paulo Otavio has it out wide and in space. That is a great chance! He's missed, but not by that far.
Well, the look on his face says it all.
He's got away. Just eases him off the ball. Paulo Otavio. There's some great running on show here, but ultimately there was no way through. Oh, he's managed to get himself offside. Now it's Roberto Firmino. Challenged just a bit on the firm side. And it's Tarat. He's felt that, hasn't he? Paulo Otavio drives forward on the overlap. He has found a way through. He's had a hit! Tarat. Unas too strong for his opponent there, and it's played forward. It's gone for a throw-in. We hit half-time, and it has been a half largely of could-haves and should-haves. Perhaps the more impatient amongst the supporters will feel they're overdue a goal, but it's certainly not for the want of trying, so nothing to show as yet. At the break, it's 0-0. An engrossing half, but we're still where we started, 0-0. And that's the start of another 45 minutes.
At least there's always a plus side to a scoreless half. Defences are doing what they should, and it's going to take good imagination to break the deadlock here.
Can he latch on to this? And now the breakaway. He is through here. Oh, he's got a crucial block in there. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him.
Well, you could see he was eager to get a shot away, but there was too much flesh and bone in his path.
Forwards and with intent. Well, that had the makings of something quite promising, but it's fizzled out into nothing. Saiz. Camera. And back to the goalkeeper. The referee's awarded a free kick. Goalless still, neither side really getting onto the front foot. Tries to get it clear. It's a throw-in. Unas with the cross. And he's straight offside. He's found a way through. Oh, great defending, that needed doing. Gets good distance on it. Well, that is not the best ball, and he offers an apologetic look.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
Strong running down that left flank. Oh, lovely bit of skill. There's the delivery. Nice interception, well timed. Tapped! Goal! The breakthrough arrives at last! He has given that the lot. Bang!
Well, the technique generates the power in that situation, and once power is assured, any goalkeeper's up against it.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the #1 contender, and he's done it again.
The pressing's intense, and it's paid off. Firmino. And that's been won straight back. And here's Roberto Firmino. Oh, he couldn't quite make it. Tarat. So, Jim, what are you thinking?
Well, there'll be no accusations of a lack of effort. They're giving as good as they get when it comes to chances.
And no, that is pretty much the end of that. What a throw in.
Well, there's plenty to like about this approach. Get your head down, keep battling away, and eventually things might change for you.
Out for a throw. Looking for options for movement. And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
It is looking like the end. If anything's going to happen, it's got to happen now.
Yeah, they're really playing in hope at this point, but hope is something you can always cling to.
And back to the keeper they go. Saiss. Now it's Roberto Firmino. Can he get onto this?
I think we're about to see a frenetic finish. No half measures from here.
Keep the ball and you win the game. It really is that simple. Knocks it out wide. Gets into some space. Climbs up big! Whistle's gone and they've got themselves a free kick. Defending of the desperate variety. Firmino goes steaming forward. Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle.